Welcome to Click Tech Updates, your go-to channel for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional looking to stay updated, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on many minds: how to successfully transition into a career in IT. Step 1. Self-assessment and goal setting. First things first, ask yourself, what are your interests? Do you see yourself as a software developer, a cybersecurity expert, or maybe a data analyst? Identifying your area of interest is crucial. Set clear, achievable goals to guide your journey. Step 2. Research and education. Dive deep into understanding the field. What skills and qualifications do different IT roles require? Enroll in online courses and consider certifications from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX. If you can, pursuing a degree in computer science can also be beneficial, but it's not always necessary. Step 3. Develop relevant skills. Learn programming languages like Python, Java, or JavaScript, and get hands-on with tools and technologies relevant to your chosen field. Don't forget to work on soft skills like problem-solving, communication, and teamwork. Step 4. Hands-on experience. Start building your own projects and create a portfolio to showcase your skills. Look for internships, volunteer work, or freelance projects. Real-world experience is invaluable and can set you apart from other candidates. Step 5. Networking. Join online and local tech communities, attend meetups, and engage in professional groups. Networking can open doors to opportunities and provide you with valuable insights and support. Step 6. Job search strategies. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and projects. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing common questions and assessments. Apply for entry-level positions, internships, and roles that match your skill level. Step 7. Continuous learning. The tech industry is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and technologies. Continuous learning is key to long-term success in IT. Step 8. Persistence and patience. Career transitions take time and effort. Stay committed to your goals, be patient with your progress, and embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful career in IT. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Click Tech Updates for more tech tips and updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.